Hey there motorhome lovers, welcome back to Premier Car, your go-to place for everything about the world's most luxurious and stylish motorhomes. Today, we have something truly stunning for you, the 2025 Tiffin Byway. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace with its sleek midnight blue and chrome silver finish and a design that screams class and sophistication. The Byway is built for those who want to travel in pure luxury. But before we jump into this incredible tour, please like this video, subscribe to our channel Premier Car, and hit the bell icon. It really helps us bring you more awesome content, and we know many of you watch our videos without subscribing, so don't forget, please subscribe and share with your friends. Let's begin with the exterior of the Tiffin Byway. Right from the front, the motorhome demands attention. It has a beautifully sculpted body with clean, smooth lines that blend luxury and strength. The midnight blue and chrome silver color combination is just breathtaking. Add to that the large panoramic windshield, LED headlights, and bold chrome grille, and you've got a machine that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi film. The shine on the body is showroom quality. Whether it's parked under the lights or catching sunlight on the road, it sparkles with elegance. You can clearly see the expert craftsmanship and premium materials in every inch of this build. Now step inside and you'll be welcomed into a living room that's nothing short of a luxury hotel suite. It features ultra-premium leather sofas with enough space to relax with your family or entertain guests. A huge smart LED TV is placed perfectly across from the seating area, ideal for watching movies or following your favorite shows on the road. The ambient ceiling lighting adds a warm and cozy glow, making the space feel inviting. There are large panoramic windows with stylish curtains, giving you great outside views while maintaining complete privacy. With polished wood accents and glossy floors, this living room is designed to make you feel like royalty. Now let's head to the bedroom. It's elegant, peaceful, and designed to give you maximum comfort. After a long day of traveling, you get a plush queen-size bed with luxurious bedding, perfect for a restful night. On both sides of the bed, you'll find stylish wardrobes with mirror panels and soft reading lights. Above, the walls are wrapped in a soft touch finish, and above you are wood-finished overhead cabinets for extra storage. This bedroom feels calm, quiet, and so well designed, it's the kind of place you'll actually look forward to coming back to every night. Now, what's a great home without a great kitchen? The kitchen in the Tiffin Byway is compact but fully loaded. You get a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, a sleek induction cooktop, a microwave, and tons of storage in high-gloss cabinets. The solid surface countertops add a beautiful and durable workspace, and there's even under-cabinet lighting for a touch of elegance. This kitchen makes it easy to cook breakfast, prepare dinner, or even whip up a snack while you're on the move. Everything feels premium, functional, and designed with travelers in mind. And now the washroom. Yes, the bathroom in this motorhome will surprise you. It features a glass-enclosed shower that looks straight out of a luxury hotel. There's a solid surface vanity with a sink, a wall-mounted mirror, and modern lighting that gives you a bright and clean space to freshen up. The tiles, textures, and chrome fixtures all reflect high-end design, and there's plenty of storage for your toiletries and essentials. It's clean, private, and stylish, exactly how a luxury bathroom should be, even in a moving vehicle. So there you have it, the 2025 Tiffin Byway. From the outside charm to the inside comfort, every inch of this motorhome is crafted to deliver the ultimate travel experience. Whether you're going on a cross-country road trip or just want the finest living on wheels, this motorhome has it all. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to Premier Car, and hit the bell icon. We work hard to bring you the best tours and reviews, and we love sharing our passion for luxury motorhomes with amazing viewers like you. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who love comfort and class on the road. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon with another amazing motorhome. Until then, take care and happy travels.